Affinity CRM Review. Is it worth it? So Affinity is a relationship intelligence CRM built for deal-centric industries like venture capital, private equity, and banking. So its pros is it has automatic activity capture. It pulls in data, emails, and calendars, and even communications from dozens of sources. It also has a relationship with intelligence. So there are ideal flows with visualizations, relationship scoring, and warm intro insights. It even has a powerful analytics and integration with the pipeline tracking and CRM integrations like Salesforce and HubSpot. It even has a high satisfaction among targeted users. However, there are some cons of it. So it has a high cost per user, which is usually priced between $2,000 to $2,700 per user, which is annually. It also has a steep learning curve and interface complexity. It even has a loss, customization, and standardization issues. While customizable, it has a free-form data field, and the performance and the team can cause with raise concerns. So it's better for mid to large teams only. So overall, Affinity CRM is legit and powerful and highly valued in its needs, but it comes at a price. So if your business relies heavily on relationship mapping and automates critical deal workflows, it may pay for itself. But if you're a small team or non-specialist, I recommend something else.